What's up, tribe? Here in the mountains, and wanted to ring the bell and call us all together as tribes of light, Rainbow Warriors. And tonight at 7:45, and I know today is a very special day. We are going to be, millions of people meditating, grounding in new frequencies of love and of prosperity and healing. Healing, purification. And according to the signs of our times, today is for 2020, so that's a 444 in numerology, which is the angel number. So the archangels, the angels, our higher self guides, right? There's a thinning of the veil right now, and also astrologically, it aligns up to Pluto, Saturn, and apparently they're going into this. The Aquarian age, like it's happening today. I'm not an astrologist, so I couldn't give you all the rundown and breakdown, but that's what's up. So I'm going to be doing it on Facebook Live here. There's also going to be a Zoom link if y'all want to join me and my sister Amber to be able to see each other's faces and kind of tune in a little bit stronger, deeper way. I'll put the link here in the description so you can join that way. And it's time to celebrate. It's time to celebrate, and really what's been coming to me is how can I step into more generosity instead of scarcity? How can I step into more love instead of fear? Right. And so that's what's up. So whether you do that with me, whether you do that with, I know Unify has got a big, guided meditation, and we're all going to be doing a very similar guided meditation to see that connection to the earth, to the grand central sun, into ourselves and our bodies and our hearts, and being those beacons of light that it's now we are the ones we've been waiting for. And I love each one of you. You matter. Your light matters. Your so we get to connect to that passion and that vitality to build something new, something beautiful, amidst all the destruction. Right, there's so many old ways falling apart, right? And we've known this for centuries, right? And now it's time to bring back harmony to the earth. And I'm gonna read this just because it's super dope. I just pulled this Mayan Oracle card, and it's funny because the Mayan Oracle I started reading in 2012 when the Mayan calendar ended, the year of the dragon. And now we are in the year of the rat, and the rat is like the foundational energy archetype, very resourceful. So now's the time of being resourceful. And it's 2020, so it's been 8 years. And in another book called Earth Awakens, it's a channeled reading from Arcturus. And for those of you who are watching this, maybe you're familiar with the Pleiades, Arcturus, Orion, these other star systems that are here helping us, supporting us to transform, to heal, to awaken. So I'm going to read this little bit here. It's a beautiful poem. Please share this with your friends. Let them know to get on. Meditate at 7:45. And here we go. Chichan, which also means serpent. I am Chichan, molten magma of pure life force, vibrant vermilion flame of awakening and purification. I am the heat, power, and vitality of creative essence. I am instinctual wisdom. I sense solutions and secrets within the belly of your being. I am the flame of pure purpose galvanized within you. I am the promise of awakening, the luminous lotus, the crown of illumination. I am the sacred fire of the serpent's dance, lying coiled within you until stirred to wakefulness, enlightening quickness or serpentine grace, Kundalini activation. My sacred river will ignite your whirling wheels of splendor, setting them spinning into the dance of their own divine timing. As I dance with you, I gently light the pathway of your natural unfoldment. Fulfill your desire for sacramental intimacy and transcendent union. In the divine dance with the eternal beloved. When summoned in love, I am the flint and tender of the sacred fire, the potent energy that unifies. The instinctual passion of beings with their divine nature. It is I who provide the serpent feathers with which to make wings. Open to your enlivened passion, I am the sacred serpent, And it is my effulgent light flowing vitally through your being that initiates you into the sacred chamber, wherein abides the crown of purest love, awaiting like a silken lotus to adorn you. This comes from the Mind Oracle. Super beautiful, powerful, and can't wait to be with y'all live somewhere on the planet, breathing, praying, visualizing, and we're bringing back that sacred technology, the power of our collective mind, our collective hearts, our collective souls. So let me know how y'all are doing. If you're going to tune in, put a comment, let me know. Say, yes, I'm there, one way or the other. And I'm sending y'all lots of love. See y'all later tonight.